Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Toyota Supra Mark IV. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental proportions. Think of the Supra's iconic low and wide stance. Lightly sketch the main body lines and the wheelbase. This initial step is crucial for capturing the car's aggressive profile. Use simple shapes to block out the main components, like the cabin and wheel arches, ensuring everything aligns correctly before adding details. Now, let's refine the Supra's unique body details. Focus on the smooth, flowing lines of the hood and the muscular fenders. The rear spoiler is a key feature, so make sure its shape is accurate. Don't forget the side skirts and the subtle yet effective air intakes on the front. These elements contribute significantly to the Supra's aerodynamic and powerful appearance. Take your time to get these curves just right. Next, we'll focus on the smaller yet impactful details. Carefully draw the wheels, paying attention to the spokes and tire thickness. The Supra's headlights and taillights are very recognizable, so capture their unique shapes. Sketch the windows, including the curved windshield and the rear window. Adding subtle reflections to the glass can really bring your drawing to life, giving it a more three-dimensional feel. Finally, it's time for shading and the finishing touches. Use shading to give your Supra drawing depth and dimension, emphasizing its powerful form. Darken the main outlines to make the car pop, and use lighter lines for internal details. Consider adding texture to the tires and subtle reflections on the painted surfaces. Step back and review your work, making any necessary adjustments to ensure it looks just right.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.